keep cheating and cheating, but nothing stops those guys. Looks like I have no choice but to do my biggest cheat yet. I'm gonna stop those two with me. Giant cheeseball machine. They can't win the race if they're flat by giant cheeseballs. Gaskets! Look out, Pickle!
Whoa! That was close. I mean, those giant cheese balls have so much mass.
Pickle's right. If we're not careful, those cheese balls could squish us.
I've got an idea. Let's build a road roller. A road roller has a big rolling drum that's super heavy. It's got way more mass than those cheese balls. And with more mass, it can squish the cheese balls flat.
Come on, let's build all the parts to turn me into a road roller.
You? A road roller? Oh, this I've got to see.
First, I need a swing arm to hold the drum in place. To make one, yell swing arm. Swing arm! Great! Next, I need an axle for the rolling drum to spin around. Say axle. Axle! Yes! And last but not least, I need a big rolling drum that can squish things flat. Yell rolling drum. Rolling drum! All right! We turn me into a road rolling monster machine!
Whoa! I would not want to be a cheese ball that gets in your way.
Come on, team! Let's get rolling! When you see a giant ball of cheese rolling this way, yell, squish it! Squish it!
That was awesome.
Thanks! But there's more cheese where that came from. Keep your eyes open and get ready. Every time you see a cheese ball, yell, squish it! Squish it! Squish it! Squish it!
No more giant cheese balls for us.
Hey, I wonder where Pickle went.
Here I am. I'm just doing my part to help. You flatten them, and I clean them